want to show you a quick video of the Samsung watcher at the end of rinse cycle. This belongs to my daughters, and she complaining that it's too loud. What do you folks think? I also will post my washer, which is similar, a little bit older. It's a top load Samsung washer as well, for comparisons. And she bought it almost 2 months ago, and then she was complaining that it started making a loud noise the last few minutes of the rinse cycle. What do you folks think? Is it normal? We actually schedule a service call with a Samsung technician to come out, but I'm afraid that he might say that it's normal. It's kind of loud, but not horrible loud. Anyway, I'm gonna show the video right now. What do you folks think? The next one is a different washer. This one belongs to me, which is it's not as loud as the first one, the black one. Let's take a look. I'm testing my Samsung washer spin cycle here, see how loud it gets. So I'm just only doing the spin here. So right now it's spinning, not that fast, but